Morning, people. Afternoon, whatever it is. So, after a day of not raining yesterday, you can see what it's doing now. Lots and lots of rain again. I did get my yard aerated yesterday, though. So happy about that. About time. Haven't worked for 2 months, so I'm finally doing a little bit of work in my house. Man, this thing gets dark all of a sudden. Sorry about that. Anyways, I'm starting to get some work done around my house. Got a push mower sharpened the other day. Anyways, I'm going to show you my aeration videos. You guys have a good, blessed day.
On the trees and shit.